Hello, my name is Doug Fletcher. I'm with 3M, and I a product development specialist for the Peltor Sport line of hearing protection products. Today, I'm just going to give you a brief run through of our hearing protection line, and I'm going to start with our active muffs. This is the Peltor Sport Range Guard, and this is a 21 dB noise reduction muff. Some of the features of this muff is an ergonomically designed headband. Notice it's flat at top, and this flat part right here keeps from exerting pressure around the temple or the top of the head. And it also allows us to put more pressure on the cups so that you get a better feel for this product. This product also has recessed microphones. So these microphones allow the user to hear ambient sounds, and they also detect a gunshot. Once it detects a gunshot, the microphones are muted, which essentially turns it into a passive muff. Then after the gunshot subsides, microphones turn back on so that the user can hear again. So these microphones are recessed, and they're recessed so that they're protected, and they also help reduce wind noise. We have an external battery door, and this product runs off of 2 AAA batteries. We also, and the battery door is tethered so it doesn't get lost. We also have a 4-hour auto shut-off feature on this hearing protector. So after it's been on for 4 hours, if the volume hasn't been adjusted, it will give you a 10-beep sequence that will allow you to adjust the volume to reset it. If it's not, the volume isn't if the volume is not reset, it will automatically turn itself off to save battery life. It also has a battery low warning, so it lets you know when the batteries are running low, gives you an opportunity to change them out before the unit goes dead. We have some cutouts here on the side to help facilitate use with long rifles and shotguns. Single volume control. This volume control, on-off volume control, controls the volume in both cups, so it balances them out. So our big thing is we've been focusing on comfort for our product line, and we believe that we have a superior product that offers comfort. So the next in our product line is the Tactical 100, and this is a all-digital muff, whereas the Range Guard was an analog muff. The Tactical 100 has a noise reduction rating of 22 dB, has similar features to the Range Guard. It's a similar shaped headband, except it's more padded. Recessed microphones, external battery door, runs off of 2 AAA batteries. This one has a 2-hour auto shut-off feature, also has a low battery warning. We don't have the cutouts here, but this is still a low-profile cup. We have a port here where you have you can attach to a 3.5 millimeter cord to your phone if you want to listen to music. And we still have the single on-off volume control knob. Now, since this is a digital muff, we're able to do some extra features with this. And the first thing that we have with the Tactical 100 is what we call variable suppression time. So if you put this muff on and you turn it on, and as you turn up the volume, you'll hear a beep and another level of beeps. And those beeps indicate the zones where we actually lengthen the suppression time. And lengthening the suppression time is great for indoor shooting. So when you shoot outdoors, sound goes out and it dissipates. But when you go into an indoor range, sound goes out, it hits off the walls, the ceiling, it comes back in, and you get a lot more echo and reverb in the indoor environment. And with the variable suppression time feature, it allows you to turn the volume up and lengthen the suppression time. And that lengthening of the suppression time helps cancel out those echoes and reverbs. The second thing that we do with the microphones is we have what we call adaptive frequency response on the 100. And what that does is we actually measure the background noise level in the environment. And as that noise level increases, we actually have our filters that will tighten around the voice band to help filter out that background noise so that the user can hear more clearly and understand conversations. So this is our Tactical 100. And we have 2 new products that are coming out right now that'll launch in March. And they're the Tactical 300 and Tactical 500. They share the same packaging, so they look identical, except for a few changes which I'll get into. For the 300 and 500, we use a rugged over-molded headband, which is very comfortable. We also left an opening in the tops in case you wear baseball hats. We found out from our customer insights that the beanies on the baseball hats tend to get pressed into the top of your head. So we left an opening there so that fits around the beanie and it doesn't press on top of the head. Similar design philosophy is the range guard in the 100. We eliminate pressure on this part of your head, and we make sure the pressure gets applied on the cup so you get a good tight seal. So for the 300 and 500, same recessed microphones. We use a single on-off power button in the back now, so you press and hold this. And we have what we call voice assist. So now this actually talks to you. So it'll tell you when it powers on, tells you to power off. We have a programmable 2-hour or 4-hour auto shut-off feature for this product. And it actually tells you that it's going to go into auto shut-off mode, and it does a countdown, which allows you to adjust. When you have a low battery warning, it actually says low battery, so you know how to change it. You adjust the volume here with the tactical switches. This is up, this is down. On the 300, you have a center button that helps you get into the menus. On the 500, the center button is actually for the Bluetooth. So the 500 is a Bluetooth-enabled muff. Okay. We have cutouts on the 300 and 500 that allow you to facilitate use with a long rifle or shotgun. We have a flap here. We still do have a 3.5 millimeter audio input, so you can connect with the cable if you don't want to. For the 300, for the 500, you can just connect to your device using the Bluetooth. So I'll just tell you about these are also digital muffs. So I'll just tell you about some of the features that are a little bit different for those. For the 100, we had the variable suppression time feature for canceling out echoes and reverb, especially in indoor environment. For the 300 and 500, we're doing something different. We have what we call a dynamic suppression time feature. And what we do is we use the microphones to measure the energy in the gunshot. And the energy in the gunshot actually sets the suppression time for the muff. So it will adapt to the type of weapon that you're shooting. If you're shooting a small caliber weapon like a .22, you'll get a short suppression time. If you move up to a large caliber weapon like a .308 or a .338 Lapula, you get a longer suppression time. So it measures that energy and it automatically adjusts to give you the best protection and comfort. When you go into an indoor range, the headset can measure the echoes in the range, and it will adjust the suppression time profile to help cancel out those echoes and reverbs. So again, gives you a much more comfortable shooting and experience when you're shooting indoors.
Doug, what are the MSRP for these models that you've just shown us?
Okay, for the range guard, the MSRP is $59. Okay, for the Tactical 100, suggested retail price is $89. For the 300, which is a 24 dB muff, the suggested retail price will be $149. And for the 500, which is a 26 dB muff, with Bluetooth, the suggested retail price will be $199.
These available at both retail outlets and ordering directly from you guys on the web?
We don't sell directly, but Amazon will sell them, and other suppliers will sell them on the web for us. So, and they will be in the stores in March.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Flagship model that we always do with us. I'm a former Navy SEAL. Hey guys.
Show you.